Hello everybody. Artificial intelligence (AI) can increase business productivity by 40% as stated in the article published in an Economic Times. Global GDP will grow by $15.7 trillion by 2030 and thanks to AI. The number of AI startups grew 6 times since 2000. So from all this data, you are now able to realize how much important AI is in today's world. You will get many such instances of AI in this video which are now in trends, so do watch the complete video. Today, our topic of discussion is artificial intelligence, and you must have heard of it, right? We use this word in the form of Google Maps, Google Assistant nowadays. In the complete world, only humans have that strength to utilize their brain very strategically and very efficiently. By utilizing the power of his brain, humans have done much more crucial and fantastic work in the world. With the help of their brain, they have developed computers, internet, smartphones, and many other inventions. And because of this only, our life get another direction and somewhat helped in our lifestyle. If I wanted to talk about in technological sector, humans have done so much growth and now developed such a machines which can do similar tasks and perform similar operations what humans can do. And these machines have same ability to perform similar tasks as human does. The machine manufacturers from these advanced technologies are called artificial intelligence. Many people don't know about AI, what actually it is, what AI is, and what role does AI play in each one of us life. In this video, we will be looking at some interesting facts regarding AI in which you will get to know what actually this AI is and where are its uses and what are its advantages and disadvantages. Let me first tell you what is AI. AI, artificial intelligence, is a wide-ranging branch of computer science which is totally concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically requires human intelligence. Now, what are the examples of artificial intelligence? You must have heard of Siri, Alexa, and some smart assistants, self-driving cars, conversational board, chatbots, Netflix recommendations. These all are examples of AI. So simply when we put some programming in the machines which help them to perform similar tasks like humans, then that is what we call as artificial intelligence. All of us get oftenly confused between artificial intelligence and machine learning, right? But let me tell you one thing. Machine learning is a part of AI, or simply we can say machine learning is a subset of AI. In machine learning, the machines has the ability to learn by itself and experience the same and improve itself from time to time without any human intervention. In today's world, to perform operations in AI and ML, Python language is in very trend and making use of it. Many of us and the industrialists observe that this AI is our future, but let me tell you one thing. This is not our future, this is our present, because we are already dealing with and using such equipments which are into AI. Now let's discuss about its examples. You must have heard and most of you must have using Apple iPhones, right? So Siri is the best example of AI. You can do a lot of work from this. One feature which you are doing earlier by typing example, sending messages, information search, opening the application, setting the timer and alarms. So these all features, these all activities which you are performing earlier that you can do simply by saying Hi Siri, Hello Siri in the required application. These all tasks you can do without touching your phone by calling simple Hey Siri. Siri makes use of machine learning technology to understand your language, Although it is only available in iPhones and iPad, but there are some other alternatives also available in the market, like Alexa device, Windows Cortana, Google Assistant, which are simply used for Android devices, are other alternatives which are used to work like Siri. Google make use of AI in many sectors, but in Google Maps, the use of AI is done in a very fantastic manner. It tracks our location and use AI-enabled mapping technology to guide us the right direction. Big giant Amazon also have launched a revolutionary product named Echo. It can give answers of your questions and can read an audiobook for you and can give insights about today's traffic and weather's condition. It can also give you schedule and venue of any sports. The use of AI is not happening only in smartphones but also in automobile sector. If you are a car lover, then you must be knowing that a big giant Tesla. Tesla car comes up with many features. One of the very interesting feature is self-driving feature, and you all have must heard of it. The use of AI is also used in automobile industry. Earlier, to do the repetitive task, huge labor force were required, but now it can be done through AI-driven machines easily and very fastly with greater accuracy. We also get glimpse of AI in video games. In some games like chess and Ludo, we have to play with computers, right? And where this AI comes into picture. Other uses of AI is like speech recognition, computer vision, robotics, finance reports, weather forecasting, health industry and aviation and many more. Now, we have discussed about AI. Now let's discuss about the benefits of AI. So AI helps in minimizing errors with good accuracy, right? And also the processing time of any task get reduced. AI-driven machines can do work for long hours. They do not require refreshment times, refreshment breaks like humans does. Right? So the most common disadvantage would be that unemployment rate, the cases of unemployment will get increased. And we also have to well prepare for its repercussions if we are taking these advantages. Right? So I guess you all must have got a fair idea about AI, what artificial intelligence is all about. The technology which is now in trend. So do like our video and get the regular updates about such interesting video. So do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching video and supporting my efforts. And we will meet soon. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye. Thank you.